If you're coming into this channel for the first time, you're actually very welcome. We do a lot of things in lifestyle, self-care tips, and we entertain you. Just relax. You will learn a lot in this channel. Okay? As I was saying, that I actually want to make Isewu for the family. So this is my goat. This is the head of goat. This is two head of goats. That's why it's much like this. Okay, so this is the brain. So this is I'm going to be adding onions. First of all, we need to parboil this, but I want to show you the things I'm going to be using. I'm going to use a little season to season the meat so it will have taste. So this is my pepper. This pepper has said they call it habanero pepper, and my onions. This is what I'm going to use to spice this meat and pour. So let's dive in as we wash the goat head. So we need to wash it, make it clean, then we'll now parboil it. So stay tuned as we do that together. Okay, so I'm going to be washing it out. So we'll parboil it and prepare it. Let me keep this out. Okay, I'm actually done washing this. This is clean now. So I just want to spice it up so I can parboil it for it to be soft. Then we can do the next thing, mixing it up and making it come out as Isewu. Okay, so I'm cutting in my onions. I'm cutting in my onions. Then I'll add my pepper. My pepper. So this is my season. This is my season. Okay, and this is my pepper. Okay, so I'm going to remain some. A little of salt. I hardly do salt in my food, but a little of it. Just a little of it. Okay, then I'm going to be mixing it up together. Okay. Sorry, let me get my spoon. My spoon is over here. So my spoon is there. Okay, so this is it. This is how it looks. So I'm going to be mixing it up. Then we'll cook it up. We'll now test it on a light soft. Then we'll do the needful. So all you need to do is stay tuned with me while we do this. Stay tuned. So guys, the meat is ready. The goat head is ready. So we go ahead to sauce the brain. I'm actually putting the brain on the fire to parboil it. Okay, so you might have your own method of doing this, but actually this is the method I want to use to do mine. So you can use your own method, it's not a problem. Okay, so you can also learn for mine. This is goat meat spice. Okay, I just did a little of it. My onions. Don't mind me. Oh my god, that's my onions. I'm using the goat stock to avoid the brain. Okay, testing nice already. Then I'm going to put my palm oil in it. Yeah. Okay. So I like to boil. So I'll just have to make it thick so I can turn it inside the meat. So that's the brain. Yeah. Let me empty the spice. I remained half of it. Okay. I think I should add a little oil so it will come out very well. So this is how it looks. I just have to be pressing it. I want to rinse my hand. We're almost there. We are almost there. Where's the cloth? We're almost there. I actually want it to be thick. We know how the sauce is always actually thick. We are almost there. I think we are supposed to have more brain thickener to use. I just want to use the brain direct. Just that alone. I think a lot of people use potash. They use a lot of things to make it thick. But I just want to do this. I don't want to stress myself. This is just for the family. This is just for the family. So I turn this in here, then I'll mix it up. Remember, I have uba, so I'm remaining a little for my uba to complement it. I believe you understand what I'm doing. We are almost there, people. We'll just have to manage our sauce. Supposed to be more than this. So our Isewu is ready. Homemade Isewu. Delicious Isewu. I can't wait. To test it. Wow. seeing the vibes? Are you seeing the vibes? I want to use this for Mobile. Are you seeing the vibes already? Are you seeing the vibes already? We are good. We are good. So that is it. Let me show you very well so you can see. That is it. That is it. That is it. All right, so we are good. I'll take it off from the fire. Take it off from the fire. Then I want to do this for my uba. Look at, I have a lot of it. I have a lot of it. Oh, I would have cut more onions for this. Okay, so just done it. So my spice is not enough. Just have to manage it. Let me see if I can steal a little spice from here. Whoa! We don't have enough spice. We are managing. Oh my god. Oh my god. Oh my god. We are managing. Can do a little palm oil for it. So guys, we are good. Thank you so much. So you're upping your fire. So guys, we are good to go. So this is our Isewu and this is our Uba. Amazing meal. Amazing meal. Thank you so much. See, my kitchen is a little bit hot. Thank you so much for being with me. I appreciate you so much.